Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and in today's video I'm doing a get ready with me, and this is just a basic high puff, no foundation look. I did a high puff tutorial on my page, so if you guys want to go see that, then you can. I'll put it up above in the card, but this isn't really a tutorial. I'm just showing you guys a get ready with me basically. And yeah, if you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys click the bell so you guys will be notified when I post more videos. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, even though I'm not really going anywhere, but I'm just going a few places today. Okay, so I was rudely interrupted and I don't know where I left off at. Let's just get into the video. And yeah, so first, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I did a twist out the other day and I posted my picture on Instagram. I'll probably put it somewhere in this video or whatever, but yeah, I did a twist out and it was a fail, so I was just like, okay, put in a pineapple, put in a high puff, and go along with your day. But my puff came out cute, it was defined, so I was like, why not do a video on this? Because I can never do twist outs right unless it's in the wintertime, which it doesn't really make sense, but we're just gonna let it be. If you guys want to see a twist out video on my channel, then like this video and comment down below saying you want to see a twist out video from me. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first, I'm just gonna take down these twists, just unravel them. But yeah, like I was saying, I can never do twist outs perfect, which I'm still waiting on that perfect twist out. And then I'm lazy, so I don't know, I just don't have time doing stuff like that all the time to my hair. So I just always just a wash and go, because you wash your hair, do what you gotta do, and you go. So that's why I always do that. I'm taking out all my twists and I'm just gonna separate them even more, just to add some definition and just to make it look cute, you know? Yeah guys, we're almost to 200 subscribers, so share this video with your friends, make sure you're subscribed, and binge watch my shows. I don't know, just share my videos with others, and you know, stay up to date with me and everything, so you can be part of my crew. What should I name us? Like, what should be our family name? I don't know. Comment down below if you guys know what our name should be. Maya Squad? No, that's really basic. It's not basic, but that's like what mostly half of these YouTubers family base is. So I don't know, you guys comment down below what our name should be. But yeah, we're almost to 200 subscribers, so let's go ahead and make that happen. Tell your friends to subscribe, your mom, your dad, your cousin, your grandma, grandpa, everybody. Make sure you guys are subscribed, because I mean, why aren't you subscribed, you know? We're almost to 200, so let's make that happen. And let's just continue to grow together, because that's just what we do. Oh, these are cute though. These came out cuter than yesterday. Yesterday it was just a hot mess. My twist outs are ugly, for real. They're ugly to me, let's put it like that. I don't know what I do wrong. Like, I do the same thing, well, not the same thing, because you know, it's wintertime, and then summertime is hotter and everything, and then wintertime, you know, you need to protect the style and you know, a lot of that. Yeah, like my twist outs and braid outs are way better in the wintertime than the summertime. Why? I have no clue at all. Hopefully they get better. We just gonna pray on it, and we just gonna work on it, okay? What is y'all favorite show that you guys are watching right now? I know I watched The 4 the other night, but I really like that show. It's really good. The judges up there are bomb. Megan Trainor is so pretty to me. And DJ Khaled, he's so extra, I love it. Honestly. But that's the show I've really been watching lately. Another show that I have been watching that season just went off and I'm so ready to come back on is Star. I watched Empire too, but Empire I got lost. Like once you miss an episode of Empire, you just don't know what's going on because everything happens in one episode and you have to watch it before you watch the new episode because you'll miss everything. So I'm kind of lost in that, but I still watch it because it's really good. But yeah, I watch Empire and Star and I'm just ready for it to come back on because I need to know who got on that plane. I need to know why Star just decided to go by herself and knowing that she needs her girls with her. I need to know if Derek and Alex are getting back together. I don't know. It's just a whole lot that just happened in the last episode. But yeah, comment down below what's your favorite show that you are currently watching right now, or that you have watched but the season's over, or whatever. Just tell me your favorite show. My twists are completely separated all around. Probably not 9 times out of 10, but we just gonna go with the flow. So, I mean, it looks way better than what it did yesterday. So, yeah, girl, might keep it like this. Psych. No, I'm not. But now I'm just gonna pick it out. Just kind of fluff it out. Fluff it all together. Just to get it up into one ponytail. Trying to keep some of the twist in there, but we want that volume when we have that puff, you know. So now that I feel like it is up there a little bit, I'm just gonna start off with the back first. I'm gonna spritz my hair with some water first, just to make sure when I put my gel up there, it doesn't makes my hair hard. It just makes it really smooth and sailing. Okay, you were gonna use that word. I'm using my gel, my regular schmegular Eco Styler gel. You guys know I love Eco Styler. But yeah, switching the back of my hair with some water. And I'm gonna take my gel and I'm just gonna put a little bit back here first because I don't want it to make my hair hard when I take it down tonight because I don't want to wash my hair. I'm gonna do the same thing to the front. So now I'm just gonna take my scrunchie and I'm gonna wrap that around my neck, and I'm just gonna get all the places that I had my gel, that I put my gel, just to make sure that they're sleek and smooth. Peep the waves, y'all, peep the waves. But yeah, I'm just gonna roll that up on my face and I'm making sure my hair is out, and I'm gonna push it up from the front first just to get it off my forehead and off my ears. Take my comb once again and I'm gonna fluff it out, trying to get that volume to come through. And I'm gonna go from the back first and I'm gonna push it upward, and the front just basically follows through. And basically this is how I do my puff now, cause girl, I was looking cute, honey, and my puff was big and it was volumized and stuff. I just feel like this is better than me doing like a wash and go, my old wash and go or something like that, because my hair is like matted, not matted, but it's together instead of out and volumized more than just, and then it just takes more work because I have to redefine my curls and wait till it dries to fluff it out and everything. So yeah, I just like this way better because it's quick, simple, and my curls are defined, my hair is volumized, and it's just way better to me personally. So sometimes I just keep it like this and I sleek my edges and I just bring my little hairs down there down just to spice it up a little bit. I'm just do my edges really quickly for you guys. So now I'm finished with my edges. I'm just gonna wrap them up really quick so they can stay down, stay down, stay down. You come up. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to push my hair back and do it like that and just wrap them up in the back. I know this is not the best, but this is the first thing that I found because I really lost all of my scarves. I don't know how I lost them. So on to my makeup I do quotations because I really don't do makeup, but I just do my brows and some highlight and gloss, mascara. That's about it. Let's get to it. So I'm going to do my brows first, and if you guys want to see a video on how I do my brows, which they're good but they're not all that good, you know, like beauty guru type good, but they're good, okay? And like this video and comment down below.
All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash, put my pedal to the gas. Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my last.
Okay, so I got really dark outside really fast. I'm just gonna quickly do mascara. We're gonna hurry up. I'm gonna try to do false lashes one day, but today is just not the day. Just like okay, one time I tried to do false lashes and they were like up here. I think they were just too big for my eyes. So I'm gonna start off with the natural ones first and then work my way up, because those weren't cutting it. I knew how to put them on, but they were so bad. Now I'm just gonna highlight my nose and my tear ducts and under my brows and stuff. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add some gloss and probably a little bit of this red just to add some type of color to my lips. So I'm adding a little bit of this red. To end it off, I'm just gonna add my gloss and take down my hair. So now I'm just gonna take off my scarf, fluff out my hair. So this is the final look. Sorry for it being so dark right now, but it's really storming outside of my house. Outside of my house, of course, but it's storming outside, so it's gonna be dark. But this is the final look. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this from me. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel because we are on the road to 200 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, but that's pretty much a lot for me, from me coming to nothing, to no subscribers, no views or anything, to views and almost 200 subscribers. So share this video with others and make sure you're subscribed to my channel and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post more videos. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.